Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check people who unfollowed you on Instagram. Just open your Instagram here, and on the bottom right side corner you will see a profile icon. It will show up in your followers, right? And if you have followers here, then there's a lot of YouTube videos which will show you a third party application. You can install them. Yeah, right, I agree that those application works, but of course it will take your data, and if you have a large following data, then of course it's going to hurt your account, right? Maybe it can be hacked. So I will advise you, don't use those kind of third-party application here, right? And the best method is to know that who unfollowed you. You can just go and check on the follower section, and you can, in this way you can find it that who unfollowed you, right? Make sure you also follow that person, so it will come to know. This method is not applicable to a large number of following, because you can't have a track of all the people, but unfortunately there's no such feature on Instagram which will show you that who unfollowed you on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.